All right, so the first thing we're going to talk about is how do we start our YouTube channel. So basically, if you have a Gmail account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to youtube.com and you would click on your little logo here, and mine says your channel, but if you didn't have a channel, it would say create a channel. So what you want to do is you want to go in there, you want to create your channel, type in, the name and all the settings for that. And then once you're done with that, channel art here. Once you're done with that, you can upload some channel art like I have here, and we'll talk about what we're going to do to get some videos going in your YouTube channel. So the main screen here that you see is the actual channel. This is what my channel looks like. So I have a home page, these are my videos, any playlists if you have playlists, community posts that you've made, other channels that you're maybe following, and the about section. So the about section, you'll want to go in and fill in these details and everything. If you have links, you would want to go in, add your Instagram links and everything else. So you can do that under this customize your channel button. So when you click on that, it'll take you into the description, the about section where you can go. And all you have to do is click these little edit icons there. And once you put those links in, they'll start popping up here. So you see here, I have my website, I have my Instagram connected, my Facebook, my Twitter account. So this way, if people want to jump over and follow me there, you just need to click on those little icons. So that's what you want to do first. You want to get this about me section in here, about, what your page is, what are you talking about, and, your location for business inquiries. So people, would contact me at info@laurenbateman.com. If they have some kind of business inquiry. So that's what you want to do on your about page. So I'm still in the customize your channel section here, and you'll see that I have a video here for returning subscribers, and for new visitors, I have a kind of a welcome video that I recorded and put on the top of my page. That's something I would recommend you do in the initial steps, even if you're not sure what your video or your YouTube is going to be about, if you haven't quite locked into a process yet. I would just recommend doing a little welcome video, telling people, who you are, why you like what you're doing, why you created this channel, and ways that they can go about finding more information. So if you have a website, maybe you send them over to your website, or you mention that you have a website. And then what I do in this video is just I welcome people, tell them why I created the channel, and then I tell them, scroll down, check out certain playlists. But as you build more and more content, you're going to be able to create playlists. So all of these items here, you see these are playlists that I've created over the course of uploading lots and lots of videos. We'll go over how to create a playlist and how those can be important. But when you're just starting, you probably won't have anything on your page. So where we want to go, the big thing we want to do is we want to go to YouTube Studio. So you can either go to your channel or YouTube Studio. And the YouTube Studio, this is your dashboard. And, again, if you're just starting, you won't have a lot of information here. But for me, it shows me, the last video that I uploaded, my channel analytics, and some other, information. YouTube Creator Insider, usually they tell you information about what's going on in YouTube, etc. And then overall, it gives you your channel analytics. So I've had, 3,600 YouTube subscribers, new subscribers in the last 28 days. My views and stuff are down a little bit right now because we're just coming to kind of the tail end of, I guess, the coronavirus, and people are going back to work. So I have a lot less people watching than I did maybe a month or two ago because everyone was at home and they had a lot of time on their hands. But just kind of gives you an overall view. So what we're going to do is, now that we can kind of get an idea of what your dashboard looks like, we're going to talk about how we go and upload videos. But first, before we do that, we want to talk about how we're going to figure out what kind of content we're going to talk about, what things, how do we find keywords to create videos about. So in the next video, that's what we're going to go over, how to find keywords and how to optimize your videos for search ranking.